of the day. It's an IHOP. $6.75 going less than 3 miles.
DoorDash free.
Never mind on that one. I just got a better order. It's a Victorino's, $8 going like 2 miles.
Bienvenidos a Victorino's Mexican Restaurant.
Thank you. Wait, I know where this is going. I really need to start remembering people's names. Finally got my next order. It is a voodoo donut, $9 going about 5 miles.
Here's that.
Thank you. You as well. Finally got my next order. Don't even know if it's gonna work out, but it's Taco Bell, $7.75 going 2 miles. Didn't see anyone working inside, but maybe they're just hiding. Why is the customer messaging me, man? Can you please ask for fire and Diablo sauce? I forgot to add it, thank you. Nope. Oh well, got half pay for that one. Figured I'd give it a shot since I was right next to the restaurant. Looks like the next order just came in. It's at McDonald's, $7.25 going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Total ended up being $8.50 something. Small hidden tip on that one. I'm gonna take a chance on this Chick-fil-A order. $8 going just under 6 miles. One, that it's actually ready on time, and two, that there's a hidden tip on it. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You as well. Not too long of a wait this time, thankfully. Oh my goodness. Total ended up being $13. I will take that. I think I'm taking this order. Starbucks, $8 going just under 6 miles. Excuse me, right behind you. Well, this one's new. It's telling me to deliver a package. $8.75 going less than 3 miles.
All you do is go in and hand it to them. They won't even ask you nothing or do nothing.
Gotcha. Okay.
And if
Lou.
I'll be right with you. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Lou.
Sorry about that.
No, you're all good. Well, the total ended up being $9.75, so there was a hidden tip on that. Seemed easy enough. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing those more often. Next order up is a Sherry's, $10.25 going just under 7 miles. Oh, thank you.
Your destination is on the right.
What the? Total ended up being $12.50. Dang. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Safeway flour pickup since I'm at Safeway at the moment. $14 going 8 miles.
Kind of watch the balloon because
Yeah.
in the wind it could whip around and pull the flowers out.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
The amount of times that balloon bopped me on the head. Too many. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe. This is $7.25 going under 5 miles. All right, there's literally zero parking. you.
Have a good day.
You too. And I don't think I'll be coming back here anytime soon because I saw their tickets and they are way behind. Total ended up being $10.50. Hidden tip on that one as well. Next order just came in. Noodles and Company, $8 going less than 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Total ended up being $10.50. Another hidden tip. And I got my next order right away. It's a shop and deliver for alcohol. $15 going like 6 miles. Only 2 items.
Hey, Ivar, you're okay. He's friendly. I'm sorry, man.
I believe you. Just excited.
Yeah, he is.
Very good signal here, so give me a second.
That's okay, man.
Do you mind if I run it down to the street? Maybe I'll get...
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back for you.
You're cool.
There we go. There we go.
All right, thank you,
Good to
sir.
go.
Hey, you have a great day. Do I need to sign?
Yeah, just scribble on it.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Yep.
Be safe today.
Have a good one.
All right, bye.
On that note, I think I'm going to be calling it because I am starving. Current time is 11:43. Total is 122. Pretty good day overall, considering how slow it was for a Saturday. All those hidden tips definitely came through. But anyways, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.